morning, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome us, all of us, back to the lectures we have been having, or we're about to have. The lectures today centers on an important topic, which of course serves as the foundation, or what we can call the foundation, or the foundation that is the source of communication, the beginning of it, the beginning of what? Communication. So here we are going to look at the introduction to communication, communication systems, communication models, and networks. So all of these things are going to be discussed in our class today, or in our lectures today. Now, all of us, one way or the other,